Looking for something more fun? Let me introduce the Apitor SuperBot, an 18-in-1 educational building block robot kit that lets children create and program their own robots. A perfect gift for kids. Following the instructions in the manual and app makes assembly easy. Connect SuperBot to your Bluetooth tablet or phone to control its movements and programming. It's compatible with major building block brands that allow you to bring your idle toys alive. The pieces snap together by hand, no tools required. Learn to use graphical programming to code your robot to move, play, create color effects, navigate obstacles, and more. Mix and build with your existing name brand building brick. Turn it into smart bricks and robots with our controller and sensors to get more fun. Kids can easily build 18 cool pre-designed models and explore more with their creativity. Kids can have a blast on their own, but they'll love learning to build fun and active robots with friends and family. Build, play, code, and explore more.